Maya Dutch is a Dutch beauty and model whose Instagram accounts are popular for posting sizzling and hot photos. Due to her enthusiasm for interacting with her audience, she has a lot of internet fame. Maya Dutch was born and raised in the Netherlands, where she has been interested in modeling since she was a kid.
Watch the video to the end, I will be very grateful to you.
After completing her education, she dived into the modeling world and now she is a well-known model. The Dutch curvy model is just 30-year-old and she was born on January 1, 1991. She has a height of 5'7" and her body weight varies around 70 to 75 kg. Maya Dutch is a private woman, and no information exists about her family or romantic life. As in 2021, Maya Dutch's net worth is estimated to be $100,000 to $500,000.